The reason we're here in Bishop Gore School is to try and develop a whole school approach to physical literacy. We've been in and we've talked to all of the staff in all departments about ways that they can encourage physicality and movement in children's learning, identifying things they already do and looking for ways that they can continue to do that in their practice. And alongside that then, Bishop Gore runs a programme of development blocks and they've allocated a development block for us to focus particularly on physical literacy, led by the P department.
We've been working at the theme of physical literacy and problem solving. First of all, we put in place a learning block, and the culmination then is a week's development block. And this week now we put on again a lot of problem solving activities and activities that perhaps wouldn't be on the school curriculum, and hopefully those children will be able to access that, enjoy it, and when they enjoy it and do things well, pick up their confidence. And of course the aim is that they do activity in the things they've enjoyed when they leave school and in the community.
The best thing is Klein Farm, because every part that you do would be fun and nothing would you'd always have a smile on your face even when you were cold and wet and dirty.
We've been learning about jiu-jitsu and the jiu-jitsu moves.
Rolls, once someone flips you over, it's called to do the roll.
We had to get 2 buckets into 2 bins with everyone, and you could only use 2 ropes and you weren't allowed in.
And then on one we have to stand on 2 benches apart and then pass things over in between a rope.
Yeah, but if they touch floor, you start again.
These types of opportunities are really important for the pupils because they can have a taster session of them, and then we're going to do a questionnaire after of what activities they actually like doing, and then if there's a specific activity that a lot of the groups like doing, then they can integrate them into the curriculum.
The whole focus really is beyond just what they're doing in this development block, but developing a whole ethos within the school that supports movement, physicality, that recognise the importance of children's holistic development in education. So we're working on cross-curricular approaches where in other subject areas and other development blocks those aspects can be highlighted, and also in a broader sense around the school, celebrating pupils' movement in learning, trying to have a feel that when you walk through the front entrance of the school you feel, right, this is a school that values movement, physicality, and really helps promote children's developing physical literacy.
Oh, that's it. Brilliant, outstanding.